This is a single board computer which is very powerful, which has many features inside, in which Windows 10 PC version can be run properly, and with that you can do a lot of crazy things that everyone does with Arduino. So let's not waste any more time, let's gather all the information about it. With that I would say stay home and stay safe. This video has been sponsored by GLC PCB. This company make prototype PCB with new generation technology. From here you can order up to maximum 6-layer PCB, and most attractive offer, you can choose any color of PCB absolutely free of cost. You can also choose SMT service to save your time or make your work easier. And of course you can enjoy worldwide shipping in just 7 days. All those fun offer you can enjoy for just $2. I must say, for additional information you can visit their website. Okay guys, this is your single board computer, commonly called it LattePanda, which you can easily buy within $100. Hopefully you can see this is a very small, and remember guys, this is very powerful. This is what you do with your favorite Arduino, it allows you to do just that. The only benefit is that you can use it as a computer. Let's see what feature you can get on this board. On this board you will find an HDMI socket for HD display. There is also a USB port 3, and you will get 2 more USB 2 port. And here you can see at the other end is a power female socket. You can also run it on a micro USB power if you want. Even you can see here a micro SD card socket which allow to you expand its internal memory. There is also a headphone jack through which you can attach the headset. And on the right side you will see a LAN connection through which definitely you can enjoy the fun of internet. It has Intel Cherry Z8 350 quad-core 1.92 GHz processor. It also has 4 GB of DDR3 RAM. And internal memory 64 GB SSD. And guys, the most funny thing is that it includes Arduino coprocessor Atmega 32U, which is commonly used in Arduino Leonardo. And you can see all the pins of this coprocessor on the right side of this board. This switch is the reset button of Arduino, and those female sockets are 6 GPU pins from Cherry processor, and the rest of those female sockets are digital pin and analog pin from Atmega 32U4. And on the other side you can see 6 plug and play gravity sensor connector. This is really awesome. In addition, this board has internal Wi-Fi which allow you to use the internet through Wi-Fi. Also on the corner of the board you will see 2 switches, one of which is reset switch and other is power on switch. Okay guys, let's take a look at how well it's performing. With that in my mind, I will connect the HDMI cable of my LCD to the LattePanda. Next, as a power source I have chosen an adapter here. Must remember, your adapter should be at least 5V and 2A. As usual, I attach this adapter to the junction board, then I connect this micro USB cable on this board, and see blue light is blinking. After 10 seconds, when the blue light is stopped blinking, you need to press this power button to boot up. Now look, my LCD is showing LattePanda logo, and it means my computer has been successfully booted up. I will use a small keyboard to manage it. To run it wirelessly, I will insert this adapter into this USB port too, and see Windows 10 PC version running very nicely in this little computer. And guys, you can see my desktop is running, and see it is working properly without any hanging issue. Not too bad. It's very funny, isn't it? Okay guys, let's see how to program this coprocessor. Arduino IDE was installed on this OS from earlier, so I will open it, and then I will open the example sketch file, and next I select the blink sketch code, and next I will choose digital pin 4 as the LED output pin. After that I will select the Arduino Leonardo board, and don't forget to select the USB board. After that I click on the compile button, and you can see my code is compiled. Then whenever I click on the upload button, and I see the code is being uploaded correctly. See, my LattePanda LED are blinking properly, which means everything is fine. I attached an LED to ground and digital pin 4 to see if it is working properly or not. And you can see guys, my LED is responds very nicely. This means you can use this LattePanda as a Arduino. Even you can also use it as a Arduino if you want, without having to turn on this computer. And the more funny thing is that if you want, then you can watch the 1080p movie in it in very nice way. If you want, even you can add a small LCD panel with touch. Okay guys, this was today's short video, so I don't know how you will feel. My opinion, this board is one step ahead, which is very useful in robotics project. So if you like this video, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video, and stay home and stay safe.